Relative atomic mass of element: hydrogen 1, carbon 12, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, sodium 23, magnesium 24, sulfur 32. Then atomic number multiply into 2, that value is called atomic mass. The carbon atomic number 6 and multiply into 2, that is the atomic mass of carbon 12. Nitrogen 7, so multiply into 2, 14. Oxygen 8 into 2, 16. Then sodium, magnesium, sulfur, also the atomic number multiply into 2, that is atomic mass. Relative atomic mass is only ratio, so it has a no unit. If the atomic mass of an element is expressed in the grams, it is called an gram atomic mass. Then gram atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 gram. Then atomic mass of carbon 12 gram and nitrogen 14 gram. Then oxygen 16 gram. Relative molecular mass of sulfuric acid is calculated follows. Then sulfuric acid contains the number of hydrogen atoms 2, then sulfur 1 and oxygen 4. The number of atomic mass in hydrogens 1 and sulfur 32 and oxygen 16. So number of hydrogen presents 2 hydrogen, then only 2 into 1. Then sulfur 1 sulfur, so 1 into 32 plus number of oxygen 4, so 4 into 16, total 98 grams. Molecular mass of water is calculated as follows. A water molecule is made up of the 2 atoms of hydrogens and 1 atom of oxygen. So the relative molecular mass of water, so number of hydrogen is 2 plus number of oxygen is 1, then only 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16, so total 18 grams. So the relative molecular mass of water is 18 grams. Find the mass percentage composition of methane. Then molecular mass of methane: carbon atomic mass 12 and hydrogen atomic mass 1, so number of hydrogen 4, so then only 4, so 12 plus 4, 16 gram. So molecular mass of methane 16 gram. Then how many percentage of carbon present? So mass of carbon equal to atomic mass divided by molecular mass into 100. Then the carbon atomic mass 12, then the molecular mass 16 into 100, so 75% of carbon. Then hydrogen is same, 4 divided by 16 into 100, 25% of hydrogen. Then calculate the molecular mass of the following compounds. First one is the water and another one is the carbon dioxide. Next, calcium phosphate. First one is the water. Water is number of hydrogen 2 and number of oxygen 1. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Gram molecular mass of water: 1 into 2 plus 16 into 1, so 2 plus 16, 18 gram. Then carbon dioxide: atomic mass of carbon is 12 and oxygen 16, so number of carbon is presents 1, so 12 into 1, and the number of oxygen present 2, so 16 into 2, so 32 plus 12, 44 gram. So gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide equal to 44 gram. Atomic mass of calcium 40 and phosphorus 30, oxygen 6. Then number of calcium presents 3, So 40 into 3 plus phosphorus 1. So 30 plus number of oxygen presence 4. So 16 into 4 closed bracket into 2. So 40 into 3 120 plus 94 into 2 188. So total 308 grams. Calculation based on percentage of composition. Calculate the percentage of sulfur in sulfuric acid. The molecular mass of sulfuric acid. So number of hydrogen 2. So 2 into 1. And the number of sulfurs 1. So 32 into 1. And the number of oxygen 4. So 16 into 4. Totally 98 gram. Then how many number of sulfur present in sulfuric acid? So molecule mass of sulfur divided by molecular mass of sulfuric acid into 100. So 32 divided by 98 into 100. 32.65 percentage. Then number of hydrogen present in sulfuric acid, that is also is calculated. So molecular of hydrogen is 2 because number of hydrogen 2. So 2 divided by 98 into 100, 2.0 gram percentage. Then oxygen 64 divided by 98 into 100. So 65.30 percentage. Totally sulfur and the hydrogen and oxygen 100 percentage.